I believe you guys. Now you already know some basics of informative speech. Now I will show you the video to impress.
好，来看世界杯，让这个很多观众为之疯狂，其中包括了新闻主播。那么最近呢，大陆中央电视台在转播意大利出战澳洲的这个比赛时，这位主播黄健翔太过投入，竟然高喊"意大利万岁"，这个喊不得了，引发了无数的批评。最后他只好公开道歉。
亚昆达，来点球，点球，点球！格罗索立功了，格罗索立功了！不要给澳大利亚人任何的机会。伟大的意大利的左后卫，他继承了意大利的光荣的传统。法切蒂、卡布里蒂、马尔蒂尼在这一刻灵魂附体，格罗索一个人，他代表了意大利足球悠久的历史和传统。在这一刻，他不是一个人在战斗，他不是一个人。
光荣传统也就算了，还灵魂附体。如果你觉得很夸张了，更扯的还在后头。
球进了，比赛结束了，意大利队获得了胜利，淘汰了澳大利亚队。他们没有再一次倒在希丁克的球队面前。伟大的意大利，伟大的意大利的左后卫马尔蒂尼，今天生日快乐！意大利万岁！
连意大利万岁这种字眼都出口了，中国的主播简直把意大利当祖国。激情过后，主播还不忘下个注脚，但是听来还是不知所云。
他们该回家了，他们不用回遥远的澳大利亚，他们大多数都在欧洲生活。再见。
这样疯狂的转播反应两极，但是中央电视台高层可不认同，说黄健翔也透过别的主持人向观众道歉。黄健翔用生命转播的结果，可能因此丢掉工作。
点球！点球！伟大的意大利，意大利万岁！
有线主场吴才贤台北报道。
So, do you think it's a good example? No, we can see the criteria, informed criteria, and the reporter said many ridiculous and crazy words, just like 灵魂附体, something like that. So, let's colorful words. The reporter has his own opinion and affects us, our feelings and judgments. So, let's not a good example. The only one thing they have to do is telling the truth. You might ask, what kind of news is good? In the end of my speech, I will show you a good example.
These officials want to know how a locally made baby milk powder became contaminated with a potentially deadly chemical. According to the state media, dozens of babies have developed kidney stones in recent days after being fed powder made by the Sunlu Group. The company has now ordered a nationwide recall after its own test discovered the presence of melamine. That's the toxic chemical normally used to make plastics and was involved in a massive pet food recall in the United States last year. Back then, it was used to artificially boost protein levels. The first sick babies were reported in Gansu province on Wednesday, and since then, similar cases have appeared around the country. Chinese-made baby milk powder is not legally sold in the United States, but the FDA is concerned it may be available at ethnic Chinese grocery stores in cities with large Chinese communities like San Francisco, New York, and Los Angeles. This is not the first time problems have been linked to Chinese-made baby milk powder. In 2004, at least a dozen babies died from malnutrition after being fed fake baby milk powder with no nutritional value. Officials, though, this time have been quick to act. State media reporting those responsible will be, quote, severely punished. John Bors, CNN Beijing.
Okay. So, do you think it's a good example? Of course, I just told before. And the news is talk about 2008 Chinese milk scandal. There are many children suffering from kidney stone, and one of them dead in kidney stone. Just because the bad businessmen sell infant formula which adulterated the melamine. So let's look the checklist. After in this video, we learn something more we already know. And they have stories, statistics, professional reporter, and worded from the audience viewpoint, and specific and attainable. Now, Donna is coming. Welcome to Donna.
Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Donna. This part I will tell you the second criteria of giving a general speech. Let's show you last time the commercial.
Attack stubborn stains. New Sunlight Liquid with Stain Lifters. Tough enough for La Tomatina, the world's largest tomato fight. Sunlight, go ahead. Get.
Do you remember last time we see this commercial? Of course, this is a subversive commercial. There are three speech definitions when you deliver a specific speech. First, change your audience opinion. Second, approve your main point. Third, be motivated. Let's give you an example. Let's change your audience mind. That is, you should change your audience, your classmates. The new teacher is professional on his profession. And second,
Are you going to show us the examples, the videos examples?
No.
No?
approve. You should give you want to go to a summer vacation. You should approve your parents. Will go to the summer vacation. And third, be motivated to make some specific action. For example, home shopping channel, they all want you motivate after you watch their shopping commercial. Now, after you know the definition in given as persuasive speech, I will divide the persuasive speech goes into 3 parts. First, in praise. Second, in convince. Final, to activate. First, to impress. That is giving your audience a strong impression. Let's show you a video.
Guys, take a look at the commercial. Very scary. These are 2 speakers. Airbag. Human touch. So what's the purpose of the TV commercial?
This commercial, Japanese use human beings to represent the topic. The main point is human beings. It's human touch. And
Guys, take a look at the point number 8. Point 8. Point 8. Actually, the TV commercial really impressed people and emphasized the function of the Toyota, the car, impress. The purpose is to impress the customers.
And second, to convince.